What's up, fam? It's Brian Control. It is time for another energy drink taste test, and I'm bringing back Alani. They got a new Witch's Brew. Check that out. Loving the artwork on that, and I guess this is supposed to taste like a candy apple. So I'm gonna just get out my glass right here because there is a movie tonight, and I'm sure you can guess what I'll be watching. Let's check this out. I'm gonna even pour it right in here for you because I want to look at that. Look at the color in that. Looks like a beer. I'm gonna check this out. Oh yeah, get that. And by the way, folks, in the Face of Horror competition, please check out my link and give me a vote. I love you guys, and I'll be back with a review.